Graceful, historic Hoi An is Vietnam's most atmospheric and delightful town. Once a major port, it boasts the grand architecture and beguiling riverside, setting that benefits its heritage. And the 21st century causes of traffic and pollution are almost entirely absent. The face of the old town has preserved its incredible legacy of tottering Japanese merchant houses, Chinese temples and ancient tea warehouses, though residents and rice fields have been gradually replaced by tourist businesses. We found great holiday atmosphere in Hoi An as we arrived just before Chinese New Year. A lot of people, light and fireworks. Next morning, we decided to relax on the beach, enjoy the wind, sun and sand, lay down and do nothing in this amazing atmosphere. Check out this scenic footage with incredible background. Definitely should be in the top 10 honeymoon destination.
Very romantic atmosphere here.
Vietnam is the best.
They're probably blaming Chinese people like this garbage.
Chinese, stop throwing the rubbish in the sea so it comes to Vietnam.
Hoi An is one of the most famous places in Vietnam where you can make your tailored clothes. You can come out with any design and style and copy any of your favorite branded item. Unfortunately, we came in a really busy holiday period and the prices were really high. Impulsively, we decided to order a couple of items, and in the long run we are quite unhappy with our decision. After 10 washing cycles, our tailored shirts were already poorly looking. Material quality, buttons and general finish is quite bad.
This is Terracotta Park in Hoi An. While they are modifying our jackets,
We will make some pots.
The Tran Ha village was famous for its pottery, bricks and tiles, especially the unique yin yang tiles, which you can still see on many roofs in the old city of Hoi An. This park was inspired by this century-old pottery tradition and was built in 2010.
so first of all we're choosing the model we're gonna do.
Go for something challenging.
I wanted to make a coffee
Just
cup,
try for
but
you.
this looks tricky to do, so
Professional, huh?
yeah. It's actually much harder than I was expecting. Oh shit, I just destroyed it. We need to go slower, okay? I tried to.
We will try to sell it on the night market today.
Let's go paint.
Artist, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm actually very ready to make this exploration and draw this cup
More like for rice wine.
or some flower. It's nice decoration for the table.
For a toothbrush maybe when they're traveling. Beautiful already.
Sun. Let's make the house here.
The highlight of Tran Ha Terracotta Park is the World Square. Masterpiece series includes works of art of human architecture, such as Leaning Tower of Pisa, Taj Mahal, Sydney Opera House, the White House, Pyramid of Egypt and much more, made entirely of clay by the artisans of the village.
Wow. I think every famous place in the world is represented here. So,
Still waiting for the tailor. I think the pants a bit tight.
just to give you small feedback, we're really painless, I think. After the second time they adjusted, they kind of, okay.
I remember that it's New Year's Eve tonight, so
It's Lunar New Year here in Vietnam.
yeah, it's really busy here.
A lot of local people, a lot of tourists.
We're waiting for fireworks.
Many people trying to sell you things.
Some nice candles.
Yeah,
So you can make a wish, no?
it is busy. You have a lot of money here. This lady, she has a lot of money to burn. She needs the whole evening for this.
I heard that a lot of people sell their houses for this event.
With its population of 120,000, Hoi An receives more than 1.5 million tourists a year. They are all here because of its history, traditional architecture and crafts such as textiles and ceramics. All preparations are over and countdown for New Year Eve officially started. Hoi An translates as a peaceful meeting place, but not tonight. Loud music, fireworks and happy crowds are at the center of the city life tonight. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah? What time?
5 minutes more.
Mùa xuân hôm nay đã về rồi, lá hoa đâm chồi non chào mùa xuân thắm tươi.
Lòng hào hứng đón xuân xa, xuân huy hoàng.
Hands down, the best Chinese New Year's Eve celebration for us, and the first one. Dragons, fireworks, smiley politicians and travelers made it this way. In 1999, the old town was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO as a well-preserved example of Southeast Asian trading port of the 15th and 19th centuries. Its buildings and its street plan reflects the influences, both indigenous and foreign, that have combined to produce this unique heritage site.
I mean, they're real money, not the...
Don't burn them.
I was thinking they would bring the money so we can burn it. It's real ones. I think if you want to make the tailored clothes, then you need to plan more days here because it will take you 1.5 days out. If you want to do it, plan 1 day more at least.
Yeah. Or they just don't do it. And we head in north just to Hue tonight. Hanoi is waiting for us, so we just need to carry on driving.
Yeah.
So we took an elevator just to show you there is possibility to get to the Marble Mountains by elevator. If not, we would just walk.
Yeah, you can walk, but we don't want to sweat anymore.
The cluster of limestone outcrops that make up Marble Mountains were initially sacred sites worshipped by Cham people of central and southern Vietnam. They also contain a myriad of cave networks and tunnels that the Cham recognize as holy places. In the centuries since the Champa Empire, Buddhist followers have built shrines and temples at the summit of the mountains and in the caves below them. Named after the elements of metal, wood, water, fire and earth, Marble Mountains exist in a coastal area that is renowned for stone cutting and sculpture, about 9 kilometers south of Da Nang.
Yeah, I'm just finished my last art piece, and we're done here, so we can just carry on.
How much time you spend here?
Oh, a couple of minutes we've been here.
Despite countless wars and uprisings, in the late 20th century the Marble Mountains faced a different kind of threats to itself. The red, white and green marble used by local carvers for tombstone, statues and souvenirs sold in Da Nang and the surrounding beaches came from the large rock deposits in the mountains themselves. The sacred stone hills even supplied the building materials for Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum in Hanoi. So, in order to maintain the mountains as a destination worth visiting, quarrying has been stopped recently, ensuring the mountain's longevity. The summit of Hoi An is the only marble mountain accessible for visitors, and it can be easily reached by 43 meters high glass elevator. To summarize our experience, perfect place to spend several hours on a hot day, scenic views and stunning grottos guaranteed.
So we are where?
Chua Ling Ung. It's a temple complex, another one.
This is mind-blowing thing. The bonsai here, this is not IKEA bonsai here. This is proper stuff.
So maybe thousands of people here.
This is the first place I see when there are more locals than tourists. And the statue is also really nice.
Yeah, quite impressive. We need to check what the length of it.
Let's have a walk.
Yeah, let's go.
Ling Ung Pagoda is the largest pagoda of scale and artistic architecture in the Nang area. Its Lady Buddha statue is considered the tallest one in Vietnam. It's not coincidence that it's facing the ocean, as Lady Buddha is a protector of fishermen.
A lot of smoke there.
The pagoda was officially inaugurated on July 30th, 2010. Ling Ung features perfect harmony between the modern and traditional architectures of Vietnamese pagoda, especially in the three entrance gate, the main chamber of the ancestors' house.
Beautiful.
Yeah, really nice. Huge.
18 stone Arhat statues are one of the most distinctive features of Ling Ung Pagoda. Da Nang marks the halfway point between the capital in the north, Hanoi, and Ho Chi Minh City in the south. Nowhere in Vietnam is changing as fast as Da Nang. For decades, it had a reputation as a provincial backwater, but big changes are ongoing, and you can see that. The city has grown rapidly in recent years and reached a population of over 1 million people in 2014. Da Nang's coastline stretched 30 kilometers, renowned for calm, cool water, and also popular for fishing, water skiing, and diving.
my neck. Actually, not bad, huh? Wow, this place looks very simple.
Yeah, but that's probably their secret.
I think it's the best chicken I've ever had.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Mom, for that.
This is really good stuff.